Today, we're going to talk about how to switch from the bash shell to zsh. We'll cover what zsh is, how to install it, and customize it to fit your needs. By the end of this video, your terminal will probably look better and also work more efficiently. Zsh is a more advanced alternative to bash. It comes with extra features like plugin and theme support, making it a great option for users who want a more powerful command line experience. Some of its key improvements over bash include automatic directory switching, just type a folder name, and zsh will take you there. Syntax highlighting, easily see errors before running a command. Spell correction and autocompletion to reduce the typing errors in your workflow. Plugin and theme support to customize and enhance your terminal. Now that you know what zsh is, let's move on to the installation. Installing zsh is straightforward. For Debian-based distros like Ubuntu, run sudo apt install zsh. For Arch Linux, use sudo pacman-s zsh. Type in your password, press Y. Once zsh is installed, type in zsh. Now we need to set up a basic configuration. Type in 1 to get to the main menu. Now I think the options in here are pretty self-explanatory, but for example, we can configure the completion system. Type in 2. To use the default options, just type in 1. If you have changed something in here, you need to exit with the key 0. Now you're done with setting up the basic configuration. To make zsh even better, we'll install oh-my-zsh, a powerful framework for managing zsh configurations. Run the command in the description to install it. Then press enter. oh-my-zsh comes with tons of built-in plugins and themes, making customization super easy. Now we'll press Y to make zsh our default shell. Type in your password and you're done with the installation. Now let's install some plugins to improve your workflow. Go to your home directory and open the configuration file. //.zsh-rc. Now find the plugins section and read the instructions on how to add new ones. As you can see, just add the name of the plugin into the parentheses. For example, the git plugin gives you aliases for some common commands you need when working with Git. You can find a full list of plugins in the description. To install a theme, you need to first clone the repository. The link for the theme used in this tutorial will be in the description. Copy it in and press enter. After that, you need to edit the .zsh-rc file and update the zsh_theme line. Type in vim /.zsh-rc. As you can see, the zsh_theme line. Type in power level 9k /power level 9k. Save the changes. Now type in source /.zsh-rc to apply the changes. As you can see, the theme changed. And that's it. Your terminal has a basic configuration. You're able to make your own additions. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.